And lastly, we have to find all the rational roots of this polynomial. And we do this by taking, we have to do, kind of have to do trial and error, but we have to find out which one of these possible roots up here, and pretend there's a plus or minus in front of all these. We have to figure out which one of these are the roots. So one we have to do that with synthetic division, so we can try -2, for example. And so you divide that with the 1, 3, taking out the things in front, and then 0, because 0, it's missing a constant. So then you bring down the 1 times -2 is -2, 1. That adds up to 1. That times that is -2 once again. That equals -6. That times that is 12. -12 plus 12 is 0. 0 times -2 is 0. 0. So we know that -2 is a root, but really it's x plus 2, because it's x equals -2. So I need to add that. So then x plus 2 equals 0. So it's so we know that one of the parts of the factored form of this polynomial is x plus 2. So the next thing we can do is we can, because the answer only has 3 parts to it, because this got eliminated and is now 0, we can use the quadratic formula to figure out the other 2 roots, because even though there are 4 roots, we already know that one of them is 0, because there's no constant. We know that one of them is x plus 2, so there's only 2 left, so we can use the quadratic formula, which when you apply it to this, it's 1 plus or minus 1 1 plus or minus the square root of 1, because b squared, because it's 1, so it's x to the third plus x to the second minus 6. So that in front of that is 1 and 1. B squared, so it's 1 times 1 equals 1. Minus 4ac, 6 times 4 is 24, so it's plus 24. And a is 1, so it's just 24. All divided by 2a, and this is 2 times 1, so it's over 2. So plus or minus, because 1 plus 24 is 25, and that equals 5. So it's plus or minus 1. Oops. So it's 1 plus or minus 5 over 2. 1 plus 5 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. 1 minus 5 is -4, divided by 2 is -2. So then we have the other 2 roots, which is x plus 3 and x minus 2. So then we have all the roots then. We have x plus 3, x minus 2, and then x plus 2 because of the original one, and then just x because it doesn't have a constant. So this is the equation in factored form. So the zeros are also -2, 2, 3, and 0. And that's it. That answers everything. So that's it.